Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's quick guide I will show you exactly how to fix the MySQL shutdown unexpectedly error in XAMPP. This is super common if you're running local website or WordPress. I will keep it simple. So without any further ado, let's fix it step by step. So first of all, find the problem. So first you just need to open XAMPP in your desktop or your device. Then try to start MySQL. So let's try to start this one, and here if it shut down immediately with a red error, it usually because of crafted data files or a port conflict. Don't worry, you won't lose your database if you follow these steps carefully. So before changing anything, make a backup. Go to your XAMPP installation folder, open the MySQL data like here. I just need to go over here. I will upload it in local disk, this one. Then here you can see you just need to be find it out PHP MySQL data, this one, MySQL data, this one. You just need to be copy all this thing and then copy the enter data folder somewhere safe like a desktop. If anything goes wrong, you can restore it. Then you just need to go open MySQL data folder. Let's say we have the data folder in here. You can see this is the folder. You just need to go open that one and delete the file name IV data. So here you can see you will find out that option IV data 1. So you just need to delete that one. Next, to go to the MySQL backup and find the IV data 1 file there and copy it into your data folder. This basically reset MySQL system tables without deleting your database. Then check port conflict. It's replacing IV data does not work. The problem might be in port conflict. So back in XAMPP, click config next to the MySQL. So here you just need to be click this one, and from that place you just need to be like next to the MySQL, then myini, search for port 3306, change it to something like 3307. Save the file, go back to the control panel and try starting MySQL again. And now you just need to be close the XAMPP completely like this way, close whole thing, and then restart it as administrator and try starting MySQL again. In most cases your database will load fine and MySQL will open without crashing. Let's say I'm searching for the XAMPP in here, and from that place I will open as administrator. Just click yes and it will be open. From that place you can easily run this one perfectly, and that's it. You just fix MySQL shutting down carefully like unexpectedly in XAMPP. If this worked for you, please like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.